Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I hope you are preparing well for upcoming UGC NET 2021, which is going to be held in October. And friends, this is the right time to assess your preparation level. So the Global Online University is going to start with a new batch. In this batch you will get full syllabus, video lectures, and you are going to get 60 mock tests for paper 1 preparation. After attending the test you will come to know your score, and also after that we are providing you solution PDF of all the 60 tests. This is very helpful to assess your preparation level. Then we are also providing you expected 1000 MCQs PDF, and also you will get notes on each unit, so you can read our all the notes in 2 to 3 days. Then we are all the 60 tests, yes, 40 tests will be based on the all the 10 units, and also 20 tests are based on the previous year question paper. So here in 60 tests you will be covered all the previous year question papers also. So this is very helpful for your preparation. So all these this crash course is available only at rupees 999. If you want to join, you can pay on this number via Google Pay or Phone Pay. Then you can send me the screenshot to this number, then I will add you to the group. Then you will get the notes immediately after the payment, and the test you can start attending according to the schedule. We will see the schedule also. And if you want to join, you can download our Global Online University app from Play Store, or else you can also join on WhatsApp group directly. So here let us move to the schedule of the mock test. And before moving to the schedule of the mock test, please remember, if you want to attend one test at free of cost, the link is available in the description box. You can attend one test at free. The link will be given in the description box. Please check the description box and click on the link, and you can attend the test. And here you can see the schedule of the test. We are going to start our test on 8 September 2021. Daily you will be having 2 tests here, one in the morning 9 p.m. and the another one is in the evening at 6 p.m. So daily you will be having 2 tests from 8 September 2021. And from 2nd October 2021, from 2nd October 2021 you will be having 3 tests per day. One is morning 9 a.m, second test will be on 2 p.m, and third will be on 6 p.m. So from 2 October to 5 October you will be having 3 tests every day. So we are completing all the tests on 5 October 2021. Yes, I wish all the best to all, and this crash course is very helpful for your paper 1 preparation. And if you are preparing for paper 2 economics, yes, here also for paper 2 economics also we are providing you full syllabus notes on all the units, and we are also providing you 2000 plus MCQs PDF, which includes all previous year's question papers. Then we are also providing 20 mock tests for paper 2 economics with PDF solution, only at rupees 999. And if you want to join, you can contact this number. And here you can see the schedule of the tests also. Economic test we are going to start on 11 September 2021. Daily you will be having one test here. Our last test will be on 39 2021. And in the same way, if you are preparing for commerce, also you will get 20 mock tests with PDF solution, and notes you will get on all the units, and also you are going to get video lectures only at rupees 999. You can contact this number to join. Here also you can see the schedule. We are going to start test on 11 September 2021. Daily you will be having one test. Last test will be on 20 September 2021. Yes, I hope all the best to all who are preparing for UGC NET.